Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In the last lesson, I said that Japanese has 10 vowels, 5 short vowels, a, I, U, E, O, and 5 long vowels, a, I, U, E, O. We can divide up the mouth into 5 spaces, and each space makes a different Japanese vowel. These vowel spaces are much bigger than the spaces for English. To learn English vowel sounds well, you need to cut your Japanese vowel spaces apart. You need to learn to hear 2 or 3 sounds where before you only heard 1. Let's start with the front vowel, a. Usually, we spell it with one A, like in hat and slam. A is very open and very front. Put the tip of your tongue inside your bottom teeth. Open your mouth very wide. Push the middle of your tongue forward. Ah, 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 ah. Let's try this with a Japanese word. Ah, sa, samurai. Now, try some English words. Fat cat, fat cat. Happy man, happy man. Here is an MRI video. My friend Donna will say the word bat.
Bat. Bat.
You can see she opens her mouth wide and there's space behind her tongue.
Bat. Bat. Bat.
Next, let's try ah. Usually, we spell it with one O, like in lock and hot. Ah is very open and very far back. Ah. Start saying the Japanese sound ah and pull your tongue back. Ah. Ah. Let's try it on some Japanese words. Sa, sakura, sakura. Now, some English words. Pop song, pop song. Here is an MRI video. Donna will say the word hot.
Hot. Hot.
You can see she opens her mouth wide and pulls her tongue back.
Hot. Hot. Hot.
Now, let's try Usually, we spell it with one U, like in lunch and summer. Is less open than ah. Start saying Japanese ah, then close your mouth a little. Ah, ah, Let's try it in a Japanese word. Sasaki-san. Sasaki-san. Now, English words. Fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Here's an MRI video. Donna will say the word butt.
But. But. But.
You can see her tongue goes back, but she doesn't open wide.
bat, bat,
Okay, let's practice some phrases. Happily ever after. Happily ever after. This is a hot topic. This is a hot topic. What's up? What's up? Put your hands up! I'm a cop! Put your hands up! I'm a cop! Grab a cup at the shop. Grab a cup at the shop. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. In the next lesson, you will learn about the Japanese English learner's greatest enemy, the letter R. See you next time. Bye-bye.